Yo, shout out to Urban Islands for this one and welcome to SoFlo TV. Again, everybody, it's your host with the most. Yo, man, listen. Them say anytime your things start get sweet, that means the honey and the sugar daddy, look out for the flies and the ants. You understand? Somebody said to me a long time ago, them said, SoFlo, our elder said, listen, you say a man will kill you, and you don't have to have anything. No material possessions or anything. People are so devious, they will take your life away from you simply because of the way other people gravitate towards you. Simply because you're gaining some fame and popularity. Simply because every time your video come up or a song where you do come up or something like that, him girlfriend or him wifey get a twinkle in her eyes and him can recognize it. I don't know say she a lost off of you. She just recognize intelligence and she recognize beauty in another human. You know what I say? Probably you're a good looking man. And him just hate that about you and want to take your life. In saying that, I'm gonna say this. I don't know the details about this whole Sicko Rhymes thing, why it happened, but I can tell you this. In Jamaica we have a thing when you can't catch Quack or catch him shot. And I would go as far as to say them can't touch Vybz Kartel, so them catch Sicko Rhymes, who is representing right now with a title that's very heavy, the Gaza VP, Vice President. So according to Urban Islands now, Vybz Kartel cousin and rising dancehall artist Sicko Rhymes is currently hospitalized after being shot. Sources confirmed with Urban Islands on Sunday that Sicko Rhymes, whose real name is Javion Chambers, was shot several times this morning while driving in his car in St. Andrew. Now, I must tell you that some news media entities have been saying that he was shot twice. Some said he was shot 3 times. Some said he was shot 1 yaso, 1 deso, 1 deso, 4 and 5. We don't know the exact numbers. I've read 2 and I've read 3. I've read 1 in the leg, 1 in the arm, and 1 in the hand, and 1 in the belly, the lower abdomen, right? I tell you right now, cause me get shot already. If you catch a gunshot in your lower abdomen, you are in pain. And you're definitely gonna need some form of major surgery. Them have to go cut and go in and search and dig up your intestines and all kind and stitch up back and them something there. So we send prayers out for Sicko still, right? The full details of the shootings are not yet available. The Jamaica Constabulary Force Corporate Communications Unit has confirmed that Sicko Rhymes was shot by an unknown assailant at a stoplight near Sovereign Shopping Center in Sandy Park, St. Andrew. The shooting took place at approximately 3:45 a.m. And I know some people are going to say, what am I do out at 3:45 a.m.? People, he's an entertainer, all right? So I'm gonna come from entertainer engagements and while he was driving home from an event. You understand? It is said that he was rushed to the Kingston Public Hospital in critical condition. At the time of that reporting, they were told that the dancehall star was scheduled to undergo surgery sometime soon. I have read somewhere else an updated version where it says that his condition was serious and then it was upgraded to critical. And at one point he was waiting to go undergo surgery, and at the other point, which was 3 hours after, he was currently in surgery and still in surgery. Alright, so for the condition to be upgraded from serious to critical and for the surgery, him to be in surgery for XX amount of time, it should tell you that the severity of the issue. So Sicko Rhymes is one of Vybz Kartel's closest confidants since his incarceration. He was recently on stage with Big Brother Mr. Winford Williams, and of course, I myself had done a video on Sicko Rhymes probably about 2 years ago, where I realized that this dark-skinned guy that I knew to be well witty lyrically had actually gotten so light skinned, so much so that I had not recognized him. And that is what I did the video on. And I had gotten a call from Sicko after I did the video, right, concerning that. But neither here nor there. Whether a man want bleach him skin or not, a film business that him still don't deserve to get shot up. You understand? And to put a long story short, my philosophy is this. A lot of the people that you see that are out here doing things on a big level or elevated level, they've been doing it for a very long time now, paying their dues. Sicka Rhymes been around the Gaza. He been paying his dues for years. So it's not a hurry come up DJ. It's not somebody who just come buck up in a fame and is riding off a Vybz Kartel name. He is truly loyal. You know what I say? Him truly loyal and him truly really talented for real. So if you see all this happening now, right when the man I get a bus, as we would call it, a theme time now, you know, and I saw it coming. I saw the glory coming, but I surely didn't see the gunshots coming, which puts me in another mind frame concerning my homeland of Jamaica, which I will talk about at the end of this video. So, to continue with what Urban Islands was saying, it says that Sicka is Vybz Kartel's closest confidant since his incarceration. The rising dancehall DJ describes himself as the vice president of Gaza Nation, which is Kartel's camp, since he disbanded Portmore Empire back in 2012. Vybz Kartel and Sicka Rhymes recently collaborated on the single Like I'm Superman, which I have clips of it in here, which has been gaining traction on dancehall airwaves. And I was saying to myself for the longest, how come Kartel now push him out? He might call himself Gaza vice president, and I know see Kartel endorse a tune with him, I do a collaboration with him. I was thinking the same thing about Lisa Hyper, and then boom, tune drop with Kartel and Lisa Hyper, and he started promoting them on his social media. Same thing for Sicka Rhymes. So things take time. That's why I'm not to push things on my channel. I just sit back and watch. You know what I'm saying? And then when it happens, I say, ah. So I was happy for Sicka because he's been putting in the work, like seriously. You understand? So they've recently collaborated on Like I'm Superman, which has been gaining traction. And I must tell you, it's a wicked song. I must say wicked, I mean good, which has been gaining traction on dancehall airwaves globally. The DJ also released a music video for the single, which is this clip you see right here, right? Him walking in the middle of the street. Outside of music, Sicka Rhymes is tasked with bringing food for Vybz Kartel daily. And he is the go-to man for anyone who wants to visit him in prison. Alright? So, you must know, say, the man close. Cause if a man want poison Kartel, it's not going to be through his food. Him get him food daily. And a Sicka Rhymes bring him food, go give him daily. So he is the boss ears out here. You understand what I'm saying to you? That's the connection out here. Now, in closing this video, I have to put this out there. How would the mama grandparents back foot a go on in a Jamaica do? It's like everybody that becomes progressive and productive and starts to shine have to either dead and violently too, or them have to run away and leave the island in order to prosper. Is that what we have become in Jamaica? A place where you can hope to be successful, you can dream big, but once you start to become what it is you have dreamt of, then you have to leave the island in order to preserve your life. We don't notice that most of the big names have left the island. Y'all don't notice that? Most of the big names have left the island or spend most of their time outside of the island of Jamaica. And it's not because of business only. I'm starting to see clearly that it's because of self-preservation. Boy, Sicka, I wish you all the best, you know. I hope so you pull through and come out, right? I saw Sean Storms, shout out to Sean Storm, my next loyal soldier. People always say, so Flo, how come you not cover Sean Storm thing them? Because I'm focused on Vybz Kartel. And I'm focused on Kartel because Kartel are the main one in the picture. And if Kartel bust off the thing, then everybody else bust off the thing too. Now, I saw Sean Storm's post on Instagram about Sicka, and I've followed them for years. So I know the closeness that these brothers have, real linking them in a real life. You know what I'm saying? So I'm sure he's hurting wherever he's at, and he's praying as well, genuinely, as the rest of us. So pull through, Sika, and come out. Your greatness is here. And then we'll talk more about this later on. SoFlo TV audience, I'll stay close to this one. Gaza Nation, rise up. Wanna say, bad mind are the wickedest thing. I'm out. Peace.